Hi friends, this video shows how to fix a flickering display issue. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top. Select TV settings. In some TV model, we have to go to device preferences. There we would be able to find advanced options. So we have to select advanced options. In this TV, I have to go to TV settings. So here we can see HDMI cable calibration. Select it. So here in the left side you can see this menu item is used to solve the problem of snowflakes or flickering on the TV screen. After selecting this item, the system will automatically adjust the HDMI parameters. If it cannot be solved, you need to replace the cable with HDMI ultra high speed cable. So let me try this HDMI cable calibration. Okay, it has started. This will take about 3 minutes. You can exit calibrating by pressing the exit key. So please wait for 3 minutes. Okay, done. HDMI calibration successfully. Whether to save the result of this calibration, let me select save. So I am going to save this result. Okay, done. So this way we can fix flickering display issue. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.